Hello, my name is Mrs. Brooke. Welcome to our game of the week. The game for this week is called Double Cherries. It's an addition fact game for 1 to 2 players, and it's a simple game that you can make at home. The supplies for making this game at home are pretty simple. You're going to start with 2 sheets of paper, and then you're going to need a pencil. Your first step is to fold the first sheet of paper in half from top to bottom. Next, you're going to fold the paper again from top to bottom to make 4 sections. Once you've done that, you're going to fold each side into the middle to make thirds. Then you will unfold the paper to reveal 12 equal squares. In those squares, you're going to write in the numbers 0 through 9. On the first remaining empty card, you're going to draw a picture of double cherries. On the last remaining empty card, you're going to write make 10. Next, you're going to repeat with the second sheet of paper for 2 identical sets of cards. Once you have your 2 sheets, you're going to cut out all 12 cards from each sheet. Now you're ready to play your game. The way you play this game is you make 1 stack from each set of 12 cards. This game can be played as single player or double player. If you're playing it as single player, you'll simply flip the 2 top cards and either think of the total of those 2 cards or say it aloud. If you're playing with 2 players, then one person flips both cards. You'll take turns going back and forth. And the first person to say the total gets to keep the cards. The person with the most cards at the end wins the game. Now, if you happen to flip the cards and one of them is the double cherries, you're simply going to double that digit. So if you have a 6, you would say 12. Now, if you flip the cards and you end up with a make 10, you're going to say the digit that you need to add to that other add-in to make 10. So if you flip a 7 and a make 10, your response will be 3 because 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now if you happen to flip both double cherries and make 10 at the same time, then you're going to flip 2 additional cards and follow the same rules. So for the double cherries, you would double the digit that you flip for that, and for the make 10, you would say the add-in that you need to add to that first add-in to make 10. Hope you enjoyed our game of the week, and we'll see you next week.